Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today I'm going to share a haul with you all. And it's mostly stuff for the craft fair that I'm working on. Except one thing, and that's this right here. I got this water bottle from Starbucks today. And I'm not particular about drinking out of plastic. I will, because I do have like these cold cups of theirs, and I don't mind them per se, but I prefer drinking out of glass or the ceramic ones any day. But I absolutely love this bottle. I'm trying to increase my water intake, so that's why I got that. So now on to the good stuff while you're really here. I've been buying stuff for the craft fair, and I had to go and pick up a few extra things from Dollar Tree. First was these pens right here, and this is only one pack of pens. I think I've purchased about 10 packs. This is what I have left along with this pack. I don't know how many is in here, but I put them in here so I can just grab and go. I don't have to open a pack and whatever. So, and I'm thinking I may have to get more. I picked up these little writing tablets. These are the ones that I've been making the notepad wallets, or the wallet notepads. I think it's notepad wallet from. And so I went and got some other colors. There's a yellow one that's missing. I know I picked up a yellow one, but there's a yellow one that's in my ear. It's probably on the bed over there. And the last minute I said, you know, I want all of my scraps to be truly scraps. So I've actually come across sheets of paper that I could use for these. Hold on just a second. So like today I was making my gratitude journals, and a sheet like this is what was left. Now this sheet is actually not wide enough to make a wallet out of, as you can see, but I could use it to cover like something like this. So like I said, I just want to make sure that all of my scraps are truly scraps. So I picked up 10 packs of those. I picked up some binder clips, and I thought these were the cutest things. I got these from Dollar Tree, where they were like 6 in a pack for $1, of course. And I love these. These are to die for. So they had about 10 more packs, so I may just go and get the rest of them. I love these beautiful colors. I also picked up about 10 packs of the binder clips, just the regular black binder clips. These, I divided them between my 3 grandsons, and I put them in different packaging so they can give to their teacher, because I'm not going to use these big ones like this. But I used this one for the gratitude journals, and I used this one for the Christmas journals. So I have those. I went to Raleigh World this evening. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me do one more thing from Dollar Tree. I got these stickers. And I mostly got boy-themed stickers, because at the craft fair, I really and truly did not see much of anything for the boys. So I got these stickers to make magnets, and I've never even thought about making magnets, you know, because I was like, who would buy magnets? But I'm going to see, since these are relatively, you know, inexpensive. They is how many here? It's 4 sheets of like Spider-Man for $1. So that's 4, 8, 20. Wait a minute, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 is what, 20? So it's 100 stickers, not 100. I'm sorry, 80. 5, 4, 8, 12. Yeah. So it's 80 stickers in here. And I'm just going to do a few. I'm not going to even probably just do like 1 sheet of each and see how they work out. And if they do pretty well on one day, then I'll bring them. I know I'll do some more for the next day. But other than that, I won't do that many. But I did get those. And I got these for the girls, just in case they want some refrigerated magnets as well. And I think that's all I got from, oh, nope, one more Dollar Tree. I picked up these student planners. Now, I may have to take these back, because they start now. They start in July. I just want them to start in December, maybe like the last day of December through, you know, 2020. But these are nice. I love the colors that they came in this year. Aren't they beautiful? And I would hate to take this off, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do to make these things work. But I may hold on to these and take them back just to get the regular planners. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put these up so they don't get messed up too. Now for Target, I was able to find 8 packs. This is from 2 different trips. I found 5 at one store and 3 at another store, because I only have about a couple packs left from last year. So I need these because I've done 30 of the Christmas journals and I still have another 70 to go. So 20, 40, 60, like these plus some will take care of that one box. But I have some of my gratitude journals that I have to do, and that's what these are. I went to Wally World, like I said, and I got these composition books. These were 67 cents a piece. I can get some too from Dollar General. They're 2 for $1 at Dollar General. But I like these better actually. But the Dollar General ones will work. And this is what I make. These are the kind that I make my gratitude journals out of. And I made the single signature traveler's notebooks and my regular traveler's notebooks. That's what I use for these. But like I said, they were 67 cents a piece. I got, one had 11 in it, one had 12 in it. So I had got 23 of these. So one of these and a few extra will take care of these. But I've done about 15. They're on the bed. They're not finished. I have to do the ink pens to match. And I have about 4 or 5 more paper pads to go through. So I'm probably gonna be on the lookout again for more of these, because I don't want to run out while I'm doing making the traveler's notebooks, even whether they the single signatures, or I may make a couple of the bigger ones that have the 3 signatures and the folder. And then I most definitely want to have enough for my gratitude journals, which are these right here. So, and I think that is it for the haul. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.